What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, as you know, I really like JASMY coin. I like the potential that it has. I always love things that get fully diluted. I'm sure there are people out there, and I've talked to them, that have said, yeah, this is a rug pull. And honestly, I don't think they know what a rug pull is. I just think they invested at the wrong time. Just like if you invest into, let's say, a stock in the beginning, and they're over evaluating their overall company and saying that it's going to be worth so much more, offering all these shares, and they continue to do reverse stock splits and raise the price and get it back up to whatever level they believe it should be at. That would be the equivalent. Or you investing into an AI position that might have only 10% of the supply, and then 2 years down the line they have 100% of the supply out there, but we didn't see anything really move within that position. Maybe we saw the market cap move, but it doesn't matter if it's being diluted 9 times over or 10 times over, right? So JASMY coin, once it hit its full dilution, I thought that this was an amazing opportunity, especially, seeing it at a low price of where it was. It just shows so much opportunity, even up to all-time high market cap levels, which I believe it can go a lot further than that and will go a lot further than that, because when we see a bull market, when we see the bull run, understand that all-time highs will probably be double of where they were, at least. And that's just saying what maybe the minimum will be as we start to see more and more adoption of crypto, as we start to see Bitcoin ETFs and Ethereum ETFs and whatever else is coming on in the form of adoption through financial institutions, as well as big businesses, big money, smart money, retail traders, firms, hedge funds, just everybody that wants to start to kind of inch their way into crypto. So I want to talk about JASMY coin in this video because I do think it has way too much potential to kind of miss out or pass up on this position. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Don't forget about my referral links that are down there. Feel free to check out those referral links. That's how I was able to purchase as much JASMY coin as I did recently. I purchased about 300,000, which I'll get into in a little bit. But I was able to do that because of the referral links. So feel free to support those, and I definitely will continue to support JASMY coin, with purchasing it and being able to get up to 1 million JASMY coin. I'm so close. I'm not there yet, but I'm so close to becoming a JASMY millionaire, right? Or a jazz millionaire, right? Because it fills in. Anyways, let's talk about JASMY coin. Currently, the price is at 36% of a penny. Since I bought, it's actually up a decent amount. We've seen it rise about 5%. So I'm happy with that, right? It went from about 34 to 36. I don't think that's 5%. It might be like 1% or something. It grew quite a bit, right? Trying to do the math in my head, but that's not, it's a decent percentage, right? But it's definitely not that. It's over 5%. Anyways, it's at 36% of a penny. We're seeing it up 3.55% over the last day. Seeing the market cap that's actually down is what it's showing, at $177 million. Also seeing the volume. Yeah, I was going to say that needs to switch. So it's at a volume is at about 20 to 30 million dollars worth of volume, with about 13% or 14% volume to market cap ratio. So I don't know what's going on here, but it keeps fluctuating. Up 36% in volume, up 3.5%. That's what it should be, because the price is up 3.5%. But anyways, I'll let coin market cap do its thing, whatever it's doing. But we are seeing this, maybe create, lower highs, maybe lower lows. It could be the possibility we could see this continue to thrive from 35 and, rising up to about 36, 37. It looks like it resisted hard away from 37. But then you saw this little resistance away from 36. So hopefully it's, creating from here, starting to create higher highs, higher lows, and creating that channel. That would be amazing, as we are seeing that. The thing I like to point out that I feel like creates this opportunity that I see within JASMY coin is definitely the circulating supply. Seeing about 98% that's out there. Even if you add that other 2%, it's not enough dilution if you are purchasing at these lows to really have a major factor. Understand that my overall cost basis for JASMY coin is around 39% of a penny. So I'm still lower than my overall cost basis. And I'm expecting this to rise a lot more. So this is not the best price that you can buy it at because, you know, it was obviously lower, but it is still a good price compared to where I see JASMY coin getting to, you know, in the near future, as well as a lot of other people seeing JASMY coin get to some of these levels in the near future. So when we look at the total supply, we have about 50 billion of that, you know, well, we're looking at 48.8 or 48.9 billion in circulating supply of the 50 billion total. Now, one thing that creates opportunity is the fourth quarter lockup. No matter how much it is, you're still seeing a decent amount that you know, comes off the top or comes out of the total amount that you have there in circulating supply. So as you're investing right now, it only really gets better, honestly. So that's something that I definitely focus on with JASMY coin. And like I said, with JASMY, I bought more. I currently have 901,000 JASMY coin worth about 3.2k, 3.3k, which I do have 30,000 or so that's over in KuCoin still, and I would like to move that over. I think it's just going to cost me a little bit in order to do so. So I'm not sure as to if I'm going to just move it over there or if I'm going to use that amount that I have over there as like my first sell, or something. I don't know. Right. I want to get everything over here so I can see 1 million coins for JASMY coin. That would be amazing. But we'll see. We'll see how all of it really plays out. But yeah, I hold 901,000 coins. I recently bought 300,000, which the referral links down below, the KuCoin referral links, all the referral links really helped out with that. If you want to use my Coinbase referral link, you can. If you want to start trading cryptocurrency and you're interested in, or, you know, most people that are invested in JASMY, you know, have already been in the crypto market for a long time and already have their platform. So that's understandable. But if you are new, feel free to use any of my links that are down below. But I think JASMY coin has a ton of potential. When we look at the all-time high, you know, and we're talking about price point, we see $4. A lot of people are like, hey, you know, this can get back to $4 or so. I'm not saying that it's going to do that, right? I'm looking at a kind of a max level, and we could probably see further than that depending on what JASMY coin ends up being, right? You never know exactly where their path is going to be. But we could see that price of like $2 or so. And depending on what the fourth quarter lockup is, if it's like 20 billion coins or 10 billion coins or something like that, it makes it a little bit easier to get to that point. Because currently, if we're looking at a 50 billion supply, let's just round up 50 billion supply, and we want to see a $1 price, that's $50 billion market cap. So it has to be, you know, pretty valuable and have a lot of people that are, you know, a part of it. And I think right now we're only seeing like 60 or 70,000 people that are a part of it, but definitely seeing a lot of volume. So as we see those wallets grow, we see that potential grow. As we see the supply decrease here, we see our potential of people that invested before the supply did get locked up. And if you see, let's say 10 billion that comes off, that leaves 40 billion that's there. So that gives it a $1 price with a $40 billion market cap. And then seeing it at a level of $2 would be an $80 billion market cap. Now, it's never been above the level of a 1.2 billion dollar market cap. But I do see this going a lot further than that, not just like a 2x. I see this going a hell of a lot further in all the places that it is available and all the people that are talking about it, as well as me that I'm talking about it. And I'm hyped to see exactly where this will be, what will happen here. So let me know how you feel about JASMY coin. I'm sure there's a lot of people that are bullish on it, just like I am. I'm seeing JASMY coin to $2. But on the way there, there's always profit that you can take. I'm not going to be looking at, $1 million or $2 million from this. I might be looking at $1 million. You never know. But ultimately, I'm going to be taking profit as time goes on, taking away from that chance to be a actual JASMY coin millionaire, not just being a Jazz millionaire owning, 1 million coins. I would love it to be 1 million coins worth $1 million, but I can ask for something lower and still have just as much of an impact, especially investing in other positions as time goes on. Does that make sense? So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.